Hey y'all, welcome back to Petite Snacks. So today I made frozen chocolate strawberries and apples. Side note, make the apples. The strawberries are good for smoothies. But y'all, did y'all know Lindor chocolate has vegan chocolate? I got this for a gift for Christmas. And yes, I did melt that in the microwave for 30 seconds. Dip them strawberries in organic apples. Leave them in the freezer for about 30 minutes to an hour. And baby, pop them in your mouth. The green apples go crazy. Use the strawberries for a smoothie. That's what I did. When I tell you they tasted so good. So let me know in the comments if you would try this. Actually, try it today, right now. Go to the store and buy these ingredients.